In this video we will discuss about how to calculate break-even point. A circular question facing each entrepreneur is breaking even. Answering a question when starting a business. It is essential to understand when a business would break even to judge the timeline and business may encounter before its venture term profitable. The break even point is the point of which firm's revenues equals its costs. There are two methods to arrive at this point. One is by determining the number of units to be sold to break even. The other method is to ascertain the value of sales in monetary items. If the lower than the assigned great amount of untils of sales, it is operating at a profit. Working at the exact value of the break-even point implies that the company is at a no profit, no loss point, and it earning enough to cover all of its expenses. The break-even point is the term of sales until reveals the quantity of products that needs to be sold to reach a situation where the revenue earned is enough to cover all costs by fixed cost. Break-even point based on the number of sales. The break-even point in terms of the sales number reveals the revenue that must occur from sales for all costs to be covered. Fixed costs are typically those charges which do not change or change only slightly over time. They are not affected by the number of units sold, such as rent paid for the factory, machine cost, etc. The per unit fixed cost tends to fall when the number of units sold increases. That is how increasing returns to the factor eventually over time. This includes expenses incurred of production, technology and advertising. Variable costs are those directly linked to the population of the product in quantity. Such costs and labor hired, raw material, storage expenses are all related to the amount of product produced by the plant. A production increase to reach the break-even level, there is as much an increment in cost as in revenue.